Hello. I've been thinking about something in my life for maybe 4 years now, or maybe five. So I was just looking someone that I can share my stuff with. But tell me, where are you from and who are you?
I'm busy. People popularly call me as busy and live about where I'm from. You will get to know about it soon.
Oh, it's good to meet you, Bezzy. But something is not allowing me to be happy in my life. It is just making me depressed, and it's now 4 years and I'm about to enter my 12th standard.
What is it that's not allowing you to be yourself? You may share with me.
That's not easy to share. Like, I can't even share it with my parents, with my friends, with my best friend, nor my teddy bear. So it's hard to share, but it literally eats me up completely, I should say.
You know what busy means? It means one's dearest and closest friend. Also, I'm not a human like your friends or family. So neither I would judge you nor I will tell it to anyone. You can trust me.
Okay. Uh, it's very hard, but since I don't know you personally, so I'll share this thing. I have my friend, and his name is Rahul. Rahul loves Priya. My another friend Vaishnavi, she loves Karthik, and that's fine. But you know what? I I love Kunal. He's a boy. How is this possible? Why I'm not normal like other children? Why are my friends loving their opposite sex and I am falling for someone who is of same sex as mine? I think there's something wrong with my brain, or I have committed some sin, and that's why this is happening to me.
Do you think love has a gender, dear? No, it's an emotion. We all love our parents, friends, family, not because of gender. Then why do you think it is different in case of romantic attraction? You are just as normal as like others.
What are you talking about, Busy? Do you think it is right according to the culture where we are living in? Seriously, do you from India?
Yes, exactly. It's not possible in our culture. You say so right. Who are you?
My name is Nemesis, and by chance I have connected with you both and heard all your conversation, and I strongly object Busy's word.
Oh, you're such a blessing, Nemesis. Thank you so much for connecting with me. I seriously think this is some kind of disease or disorder, or maybe I have committed some sin, that is why this is happening to me. I really want to change it. Should I go to some doctor or any psychiatrist or psychologist?
No, it is possible. Priests and Sadhu Babas do that easily. Trust me.
Yes, Nemesis. I'll definitely go and I'll get myself changed. I can't even imagine a day anymore of me going through this. Why can't I be same as my friend? Why can no one will accept me? Yes, no one will accept me this way. I can't take this anymore. I'll get myself changed. I want to be treated equally.
Guys, are you serious? Do you guys really think this is a disease? Come on, Harsh and Nemesis. It's high time. Educate yourselves on this matter. And it's not a choice. It's totally biological and uncontrollable. You guys don't need to see a doctor, or really don't think about it. You need to see a psychologist. And Harsh, what are you saying? You really want to die just because of this? It's not a crime, come on.
No, you can change it. It is possible through convergent therapies. So change it. Have some courage. You are a boy, an Indian boy, or else die being a gay.
What is this Sadhu Babas and priest? Don't be superstitious, dear. And he is Indian doesn't mean he can't be gay, Nemesis. It cannot be changed because it's not a choice. You have to accept yourself the way you are. And every individual is unique. Can't kill yourself for being unique, Harsh. Okay, Harsh, listen to me. You are not betraying your parents, just being what you are. Would you say that if you are straight? No, I think. How would you live not being yourself? Why would you change your originality? That's what makes you yourself. Whether you are straight or gay, you would be your parents' lovely child.
Harsh, now cut the call and focus on changing ourselves.
Hello, Harsh, you there? Harsh, Nemesis? Hello, are you guys there? Harsh, for God's sake, please accept.
We're sorry. You have reached a number that has been disconnected or is no longer in service.
Harsh? No, you can't do this. Dear society, is it the world we wished for, where original is rejected and fake is accepted, where one's identity is decided by others? Let me tell you one thing, being heterosexual was never a default. Default is your mentality, which rejects to understand origin.